Protests against coal and double tracking were held in a unique way, depicting coal as Narcosur and youngsters out on the streets on Children's Day. Are 1 kg onions enough for 1 month? Mahila Congress question as protest against rising prices continues. Government policy of giving 1 kg of onions per ration card and rotten ones even among that continues. Hi, Zachlin D'Souza wishing you all a very happy Diwali, and now the news in detail. Well, looks like the Power Minister Nilesh Cabral is trying to create a rural versus urban divide. At the Sawa Day recently at OWL, the city folks are protesting against these projects as they have no power issues. And their protests are holding up the power supply to villages without any hassle. And the PWD Minister Deepak Pavaskar has once again stressed that the government would complete the electricity project through the Mole Wildlife Sanctuary.
Nilesh was speaking during the inauguration of power transformer at Sawa Day. PWD Minister was also present in the meeting. Cabral asked the media rhetorically, what is the use of installing transformers if we do not get power from other states? Shifting the responsibility for the state's power woes to the people protest against the trees being cut at Mole.
आता हांगा पयलें सगळें ग्रीन हांगा ग्रीन आसलें आसलें झाड मारूंक पडटलें बारीक ट्रान्सफॉर्मर उबो करपाक लोकांक जे शहराच्या लोकांक आसा तांकां संवय जाल्या बरी लायट आनी उदक मेळपाची आनी हांगा ग्रामीण लोकांक जर तांकां लायट आनी 24 वरां उदक आनी लायट दिवपाक जे जर खंय तरी आमी करता जाल्यार तांकां नश्ट जाता. सो म्हाका दिसता मोलेकार सगळे सारके आसा. आख्खी मोले गांवची आमचे वांगडा आसा, दिपाबा वांगडा आसा. रेजोल्युशन घेतला आनी ज्यो गोष्टी करपाच्या गांवच्या खातीर फुडल्या गांव मोले गांवान वयतलो तेन्ना सरपंच बाबा लोक आसतले तांकां सांगतले की पंटेमाळ जर सबस्टेशना वयल्यान जे शहरांतल्यान व्हरून तांकां लायट दिता तर तुमच्या गांवांत सबस्टेशन करतना कितें प्रॉब्लेम आसा आनी भायल्या लोकांनी येवन तुमकां सांगपाक जायना. हो विशय हांव म्हाका दिसता ठाणपणान सांगतलो आनी हेजे फुडें तें सबस्टेशन जावपाकूच जाय. कित्याक हे जे टिका करता हे ऑपोजिशन तांकां आमी जे सरकार डेव्हलपमेंट करता ते नाका जाल्ल्या आनी परतून रिपीट करता की मोल्यांतल्यान ऑलरेडी 2 लायनी येता जी आतां एक्झिस्टींग लोकांक लायटी मेळटा. आतां जसो हो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर घातला आतां ते सबस्टेशनार लोड येतलो ताका जर न्यू लायनी घातला जाल्यार ट्रान्सफॉर्मर घालून कितें फायदो.
म्हणजे लायट सुरळीत जावपा खातीर सुद्दां हो जो तामनार मोल्या जो सबस्टेशन प्रकल्प हाडला तो अत्यंत गरजेचो आसा आनी म्हाका दिसता निलेश बाब काब्राल हो जो प्रकल्प आसा तो बेगींतल्या बेगीत कंप्लीट करतले आनी गोंयाक जी फुडल्या 10 ते 20 वर्सांक जे लायट जाय ती सुरळीत सप्लाय जातली. कित्याक 400 किलोवॅट ही लायट पावर जी आसा ती ट्रान्समिशन लायन मोल्या सबस्टेशन जातलें आनी मागीर तेजी शेल्ड्या 220 किलोवॅट सप्लाय जातली. अशें करून म्हापसा कोलवाळेकूय तशी एक लायन येतली.
Pras Sawadekar for Gua 365 from Sawa Day.
Well, the protests against coal were held in a unique way, depicting the coal as Narcosur at Shelde on Friday. The NGOs including Goyan Kolso Naka and environmentalists created a coal Narcosur. They burned the Narcosur at the dawn. And on last night, on Saturday, Children's Day, the youngsters came out to show their opposition to coal and double tracking to watch.
On Saturday, the youth from Goa came out and held demonstrations and protests in their villages. Here we will show you scenes from Vagator. The youth of Vagator held street plays, flash mobs, demonstrating their opposition to coal and double tracking.
Because we are over here to protest against the mining of coal.
Today we are here because of the cutting of the trees for the tracks. That's going to affect the whole of Goa. That's why we have made these boards so we can tell people that it's going to ruin Goa.
To say one message, and the message is save our Goa for us. No one has the right to snatch away the rights that they have, and they have a right of protecting Goa the way they are learning in their books. It's an environmental scam, we can say. It's an environmental attack, and today our children are here to protest on Children's Day, asking for a brighter future. So may our voices be, reach the entire Goa and the entire India, entire world, that what is happening in Goa about double tracking about cutting of trees, about four-laning, about coal is unacceptable totally. God
On the eve of Diwali, people created an effigy of Narkasur and burnt it in the morning. The Narkasurs were given the face of politicians. They also carried out a candlelight vigil. Young and old, all were part of these celebrations.
आमकां खात्री आसा की तुम्ही आणि आमी आणि बाकी सगळे गोंयकार सगळे तयार आसात सॅक्रिफायस करपाक आमचे भुरग्यां पासत आमचे गोंयचे पासत आमी मेळोन की जाय ते कोतले आणि आमचे गोंय सांबाळटले सो हे आमी कोतले म्हूण ही खात्री घेवन हांव म्हजी 2 उतरां सोंपयता तुमकां सगळ्यांक थँक्यू म्हणटा आणि आमी चड जाण स्पीकर आयज उलोवपा नात हांव एकलो आनी सांगता की हो व्हडलो जो कोलासूर आसा 3 तोणाचो हो कोलासूर आमी आयज लासोवपा नात एका आमी तेशे दवरतले आनी जे दिसा आमी कोर्टसो गोंयांत बंद करतले ते दिसा एका लासोयतले गोंयकार आमी जिखतले गोंयकार आमी जिखतले भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Salseth.
We will take a short break. Please stay with us. Welcome back. Is 1 kg onions enough for 1 month? The Mahila Congress has asked the government on Friday as it has continued the protest against the rising prices and the government policy of giving only 1 kg of onions per ration card for 1 month. They've also pointed out that even among those onions, people have found rotten ones.
The sale of onions has been conceptualized by the government as onion prices have gone through the roof in recent days. The Mahila Congress marched to Savarde in protest. They then sold onions even cheaper than the fair price shop rate. The Mahila government has criticized that even among these onions, there were rotten ones found. And they complained that when consumers and fair price shop owners complain, officials refuse to accept the onions back.
5 भाशेन फोव तशेंच उसड रोस आनी तितूंत कसली गरज पयलीं कांदो ना जाल्यार फोव जावं तुजी उसळ जावं सगळें फेल आयज लोकांच्या पोटार सरकार आयिल्लो आसा पयलो कांदो कातरल्यार दोळ्यान दुकां येतालीं आयज कांद्याचो भाव पळयल्यार लोकांच्या दोळ्यान दुकां येवपाक लागल्या आयज लस सरकाराक कित्याक म्हणल्यार रेशन शॉपाचेर तेणें सांगलें 15 दीस पयले तांच्या बीजेपीच्या महिलांनी एसी ऑफिसांत बसून घोषणा केली आमचो सरकार बरो काम करता सरकारान सांगला 3 किलो कांदो 1 रेशन कार्डाचेर मेळटलो म्हणून 7 दीस पयले कांदो मेळपाच्या टायमार लोकांक परतून फटयलो आनी यू टर्न घेतलो लोकांक सांगले 1 रेशन कार्डाचेर 1 किलो म्हणून तुमी कितें समजतात 12 कांदे येतले 1 किलाक 1 म्हयनो कसो लोक खातलो एक घरांत 5-6 जाण वांगडी असतात म्हणल्यार तुमी कितें सांगू सोदता दुसरें म्हणल्यार काल फेर रायस प्रायस जो आसा सोसायटी जी आसा त्या ओनरांनी निशेध केला आनी सरकाराक सांगला आमी तुजो कांदो घेना कित्याक तुजो कांदो कुसलेलो म्हणून तूं तांकांय लॉसान घालता लोकांकूय फावो घेवपाक सोदता रेशन कार्डाचेर आयज 3.5 लाख रेशन कार्ड आसात कोणाक फायदो जाता गोंयकार कितले आसात आयज गोंयकार 16 लाख गोंयकार गोंयांत आसात तुमी लोकांक कितें खा म्हणटात आनी बारीक लोकांचे कितें तुमकां विचार येना हांव विचारूंक सोदता तो सिव्हिल सप्लायचो मिनिस्टर गोविंद गावडे अरे फाल्यां दिवाळीक तुमगेर कितें कांदो साकभर भरला म्हणून तुका वायट दिसना
Prar Savardekar for Goa 365 from Savarde.
We will take a short break. Please stay with us. The Muslim community in the Port Tana upset after Dabolim International Airport has been recently removed as the embarkation point for the Hajj pilgrims. Social worker Riaz Qadri said that Dabolim Airport catered to Muslim not only in Goa but also from the neighboring states as well.
Due to COVID, many Muslims could not undertake the Hajj pilgrimage in 2020. But they are confident that they will get a chance to undertake the pilgrimage next year. However, what has upset them is the cancellation of Dibali Airport as the embarkation point, even though it was used in this capacity for several years. Muslim leaders say that around 70% people coming for the Hajj pilgrimage are senior citizens and would be inconvenienced as they will have to go all the way to Mumbai, which is now the embarkation point for Maharashtra, Goa, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli.
इंडी में जो हज के लिए लोग जाने वाले थे इस महामारी और कोरोना के वजह से कई सारे लोगों को इस साल हज करने का मौका नहीं मिला लेकिन एक अच्छी बात है अगले साल लोगों को हज करने का मौका मिल रहा है और मुख्तार नकवी साहब ने आकर के यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी सहूलतें देने की प्रॉमिस की हैं लेकिन इसमें से एक सहूलत जो है वो है गोवा से जो फ़्लाइट सऊदी को जाती है हज के लिए इसका थोड़ा हम लोगों को थोड़ा यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है क्योंकि यहाँ से कई सारे ऐसे बुज़ुर्ग लोग हैं जो कई सारे ऐसे भी लोग हैं जो बुढ़ा बुढ़ी लोग ऐसे जो रिटायरमेंट होने के बाद ये लोग हज को जाते हैं 70% के ऊपर ही पकड़ो आप और यहाँ पे जो गोवा से जो फ़्लाइट जाती है वो फ़्लाइट को कारवार बेलगाम भटकल यहाँ के लोग भी यहाँ से ही फ्लाई होते हैं अगर अचानक ये फ़्लाइट यहाँ से कैंसिल होती है तो कई सारे बुज़ुर्गों को कई सारे लोगों को तकलीफ़ होने वाली बात है तो यही हमारी एक रिक्वेस्ट है गवर्नमेंट से कि यहाँ की सरकार भी बीजेपी है सेंटर की सरकार सेंटर पे भी बीजेपी है और एक लकीली हमारे गोवा के जो जिन्ना साहब हैं ये ऑल इंडिया हज कमेटी के चेयरमैन भी हैं कि हमारी उनसे यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि ये लोग यहाँ की फ़्लाइट कैंसिल ना करें जैसे पहले से फ़्लाइट यहाँ से जा रही थी इसी तरह से फ़्लाइट के सर्विस यहाँ पे हाजियों को देंगे तो बड़ी मेहरबानी होगी ये हम उनके पास ये रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 in Vasco.
And now for some weather update. Goa has been witnessing low temperature during the nights and dry climates during the day, and this climatic condition will continue for the next 3 days. This will result in making mornings and nights cooler. The sudden dip in temperature has been attributed due to the northeasterly winds over the state. However, the day seems to be dry and hotter.
There are two reasons for this dip in temperature. First, the northeasterly winds have been flowing over this region coming from colder regions near the state. Second, the cold air has been coming in from heights over 2 to 3 kilometers into the state. The highest maximum temperature of 33 degrees was recorded at Panji. The minimum temperature was 20 degrees centigrade. The lowest minimum temperature of 20 degrees centigrade was recorded in the south. The seawater levels too have risen in the evenings. Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365 from Panji.
Well, with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, please do log into our website at www.goa365.tv or follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Telegram at Goa365TV. And also do subscribe to our YouTube channel at Goa365TV or even please do download our app on both on Android and your iPhones to watch on your mobile phones. Until then, keep watching Goa365 and stay safe.